Hello to every innovative people. I am Prakash Diwanji, Division Head of Road Construction Department from Solapur Municipal Corporation. In any city, the roads play a vital part in the development. It acts as a blood veins for the traffic of that city. It is very necessary for its betterment for the growth of daily functioning city. However, in my span of 30 years services, I have observed the road deteriorations and its many reasons. Likewise, due to heavy traffic load, waterline leakages, weather conditions, aging of the infrastructure, and delayed maintenance is the one of the also point. Common issues are potholes, crack development, increased dust particles in air, surface deformation, and drainage related issues also. Such a type of road conditions reduce road safety, commuters discomfort, it increases vehicle damage, traffic congestion, which leads to again noise pollution, air pollution, and long-term maintenance cost for the municipal authorities. At present, we are largely monitoring it manually reacted, complaint-driven system. All the repairs are often carried out only once the complaints are received. Sometimes temporary fixes are done instead of long-term solutions. This aspect of immediate repairs can avoid major cost to the authorities and also the repeated damage and inefficient use of resources. Therefore, the challenge before us to design an intelligent, data-driven and scalable road health monitoring system. This system should be able to automatically detect the road issues, analyze their severity, their predicted future deterioration, and support proactive maintenance planning. The final goal is to move from temporary repairs to permanent and resilient road infrastructure. Through this hackathon, we expect you to develop a working prototype or proof of concept type that can continuously monitor and condition road conditions using digital tools. Automatically detect the defects such as potholes, cracks. It should support faster reporting, prioritization of such a retake, enable predictive and preventive maintenance, promote sustainable and long-lasting solutions. It should also check and monitor the PM10 particular matter level in the air and identify the such affected areas on which we can work on that. Capturing the road images or videos periodically or in a real time, recording the important information like date, time, GPS location, we can say it as a timestamp. You are encouraged to use AI and computer vision technique to identify such a different types of road damages, classifies severity levels, generate automated inspection report. The system should also include a reporting and tracking mechanism to submit detected road issues digitally, track status such as new, in progress or resolved, detect duplicate issues and maintain the history. In addition, your solution should support predictive road health analysis, which includes analyzing historical data, forecasting where damage occurs or may occur, predicting when maintenance will be required, suggesting preventive actions, and find out repetitive distressed road lengths. A key focus of these problems is sustainable repairs and innovations. We encourage you to propose innovative materials, processes, and technicals such as smart and durable construction materials, low cost and climatic resilient repair methods, data-driven maintenance schedule, resource-efficient repair planning. Your system should really connect real-time monitoring insights with sustainable engineering recommendations also. The expected outcome of this challenge is to improve road safety, durability, reduce the repeated maintenance work and also the cost, optimize resource utilization, enable data-driven decision making, support Solapur's vision of a smart, safe, and sustainable urban infrastructure. This hackathon is not just about the technology, it is about building proper roads, planning maintenance intelligently, creating long lasting solutions for better tomorrow of my city. Thank you.